Why, hello everyone! Welcome to another little event or craft for our Halloween Craftastic series. In this Craftastic video, I'm going to be making a polymer clay spider cane. So this one is pretty straightforward. I will be using only Premo clay. That is my favorite. That is Sculpey Premo. And I'll be showing you each step on how I assembled this cane. So if you guys have watched any of my other caning videos, it's all basically about assembly, the shape that you're wanting to get. And with the spider there was a couple elements, and I'll kind of show you how I got there. But then the key is to doing the filler for the background before you reduce. So we're gonna go step by step on how I assembled this spider. If you are interested in giving polymer clay a try for the first time, in the description I included some links to some beginner polymer clay materials, like the multi-pack of Premo clay and some tool recommendations that I have. I really do hope you all enjoy this spooky video. If this is your very first time watching a video on my channel, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always get notified when I put up some of my random content. And don't forget, we do this every Tuesday. I'm doing the Craftastic, where I do a Halloween craft. Every Tuesday, it will either be in a live stream or a premiere like this, where the video is pre-recorded. But you never know what kind of craft I'm going to be doing. We do have one with a Halloween wreath. Don't forget to check out the playlist on my channel. It's titled Halloween Craftastic 2020. Once I had the spider's body shaped and outlined how I wanted, I went right into working on the spider's legs. And to do the spider legs, I did a lot of layering between the black for the legs, and I wanted the silver to show depth and make the spider not as creepy, which kind of backfired, and you'll see once you see how it turned out, because I'm going to show you a pin that I made with this spider cane. But yeah, so I'm just going to stack some colors on top of each other and make them into the shape of the spider's legs now. Alright, and for the background of this cane, I'm going to be using white translucent. That way I can put the spider on any type of background I want. When I show you the pen, you'll see that I put it on top of the spider web cane that we made in a different Tuesday Craftastic video. Now I'm just kind of measuring and getting a feel for how long I want the spider legs to be. And kind of mark my spot here, and then I'm going to cut out the 8 legs. Once I had all the spider legs cut out, I then kind of pushed the ends that were going to connect to the body together. That way the legs wouldn't just come right apart. And then I just worked on getting them positioned on the spider's body the way I wanted them. Once the spider shape was exactly how I wanted, I then worked on the filler. Now with caning, this is the most important part. I wanted my cane to be round, so I had to fill every single space and gap with my white translucent. Once I have all the spaces filled in, I want to make sure it's in a nice round shape, and then we will begin to reduce the cane down. And the reason you want to make sure all the space is filled with clay is when we reduce, that clay is going to go somewhere. So if you don't have it stuffed perfectly with your filler clay, it's going to deform and you're going to get a lot of distortion once you reduce it. And then the image that you made or the assembly to the cane that you made will look completely deformed. So it's very important to take your time on this step.
Perfect.
Once I'm pretty confident all the spaces are filled and it's in a nice round shape, I took my roller here and just kind of rolled on both surfaces and along the side to just start the reduction process. So the point here is to take this big old little brick, round brick thing into a snake, so you can get many slices out of this one brick that you made. I don't know what else to call it. But still, we're going to do a lot of squeezing together. Always make sure you try to squeeze from the center out so you get less waste on the ends of the cane. This is also kind of a long process, and it's very important to take your time here. You just want to make sure that your image stays intact. So I take my time and I just press in the center to try to get it going here. Like I said, this is the art, one of my favorite parts about caning. Absolutely.
Perfect. Perfect.